Hello everybody, my name is Joël. I'm the head chef of the IGNIV restaurant by Andreas Caminada in Bad Ragaz. I am 29 years old and I'm born and raised in Zurich. So today we're going to do a very special signature dish from our restaurant. It's called beetroot and yuzu. So we're going to start with the beetroot straight away. We already prepare it so far that we cook it sous vide in just nut brown butter. It looks like this after cook it sous vide. So the next step will be we prepare chili oil from gochujang chilies. It's a Korean chili that is not too spicy, but it still is a little bit spicy. So I'm just going to use my fingers because it's the best way to put it everywhere. And then we're going to put a little bit of pepper. We're going to put some salt on top. And we go straight away on our yakitori grill to grill it and give it some smoky flavor. We're going to give some color to it so we can stay there for some minutes. So we're going to put some pepper on the other side. Also some salt. And let's grill. So as long as we grill the beetroot, I'm going to explain the sauce we prepare for it. So the sauce is based on cucumbers, tomatoes, some beetroot. It's like gazpacho, like the Spanish soup, but of course with a lot of beetroot inside. So it turns like violet or pink, however you want to call it. We infuse it with a lot of estragon and some fresh basil. And then we're going to pass it after it's infusing for 2 days. Just make the sauce ready for our dish. So then, when the beetroot looks like this, we have some nice smoky flavor and we have some color from grilling it. We're going to take it away. And we're gone. We're gonna stomp it out. It will look like this. So our restaurant is a sharing concept, so we're gonna half it, of course. So our dish will be to share. So then, we already grilled our beetroot. We already prepare our sauce. So then, of course, the family of the beetroot is very big, or a large family. So we have a lot of different kind of beetroots. We have like the pink beetroot. We have some yellow beetroot, some white beetroot. We all pickled in different grains. And we also dehydrated some red beetroot and also pickle it after dehydrating it. Here we have our pickled yuzu skin and some fresh basil and some fresh estragon. So let's finish our dish. First of all, we prepare a ketchup, or we call it beetroot ketchup. It's a cream of red beetroot, some pickled cucumbers, some salt, pepper, some Worcester sauce, just like to give it some extra flavor, make it more interesting to eat. Then we have our dehydrated beetroot. We pickle it after dehydrating it. I made a little salad of it. So beetroot is a simple veggie with a lot of flavor. We try to play a little bit around with the texture of the beetroot, so we do it in different shapes and different textures. So then, I'm going to use a gel of fresh yuzu. We don't add a lot of sugar to it, so it's very sour. Then we have some yellow beetroot pickled. We pickle it with some fresh eschalots. And we have some Asian style pickled pink beetroots. And then we made some rolls from the white beetroot. Now we're gonna move it. We're gonna move it into our bowl. Add some yuzu skin, sorry. It gives a lot of bitterness and some sourness to the dish. Work again with our yuzu gel. Put all the fresh herbs on top. So we're gonna add our gazpacho to it before we finish it with some violet cabbage chips. Thank you. Just crush the cabbage chips. Different pieces. Gonna stick them to it with also some beetroot ketchup. Yeah. Put some chili oil, the gochujang chili oil. The dish is nearly all made from beetroot, but it's very spicy, a lot of flavor inside, a lot of sourness. Yeah, that's it.